Welcome to the Logic Spaces website for PHIL008 Introduction to Logic. In this video, we'll overview some of the main features of the site. Over here on the left is a navigation window. There's a syllabus. You can view it directly by clicking it. If you want to view it in the window, you can minimize the navigation window and it will make the text a bit bigger. You can bring the navigation window by clicking the triple bar again. You can also download the syllabus directly onto your computer. Underneath each week is the learning materials relevant for that week, both the text of reading. There'll also be links to videos of lectures, and there'll be problem sets. Let's talk about the problem sets a little bit. Looking at the syllabus, you see that each week there's a new problem set. Those are required, they'll be graded, but their main function is to provide you with an opportunity to develop the skills necessary to perform well on the midterms and the final. Logic isn't really a body of knowledge that you can gain by just reading something or by being lectured to. You really need to practice doing it. And that's what the problem sets are designed to do. They give you the practice necessary for developing the skills. There'll be 5 kinds of problems that you'll do. 2 of them you'll do the first week, grammar problems and translation problems. The third kind of problem you'll do in weeks 2 through 4, they're truth table problems. The fourth kind of problem you'll do from week 5 through 9, they're derivations. And the final kind of problem that you'll do is logical reasoning or LSAT problems. Even though we don't really have the material yet necessary for knowing how to do those problems, I want to tell you a little bit about the applications. You'll do all of the problem sets on the website itself, your problems, and have them graded and comments returned to you. On this sample website, this demo website, the first problem set, as you can see, it's already been submitted for grading. The due date has passed. The due date will typically be the following Monday by 10 p.m. That's a sharp cutoff date. Anything past 10 p.m. won't be accepted. The site will basically shut itself off. So as we look through here, there's no way to submit any more answers. Our answers have already been saved, or in the cases where we failed to submit any answer at all, we automatically get a 0. Once our answers are submitted and graded by our TA, the grade will be revealed here, as well as any comments the TA has. So let's look at the second problem set here, and we can see that that due date is still in the future. So when we click on that, we see that we have a submit button that is active, and we can submit our answers. Don't worry about how we answer these questions. We'll learn that in future lessons. I want to just show you a little bit about the features of the site itself. So in this problem, we're asked to determine whether this string of symbols is a sentence of the language of propositional logic, which is the formal language that we'll be learning in this class. If you think that it's not, you select no and submit your answer. Once you hit submit, your answer is now saved. In the future, we can go back and change our answer. You might look at this a little bit more carefully and think, no, in fact, that is a sentence. We now do the second part. Again, don't worry what a scope degree is or how you determine it. I'm going to just enter an answer. And now we can hit submit again. And now that new submitted answer replaces our previous answer. Our previously submitted answer is erased. This new answer is saved in its place. And when the due date reaches, that most recently submitted answer will be graded. All the other answers, all the other submitted answers will be deleted. Now that we've hit submit as well, we can navigate away and return, and our answers are saved. If we change our answer, however, and don't hit submit, we don't hit submit, now we navigate away, it reverts to our earlier answer. So use the submit button as a save button as well. It saves your progress on problem sets that are still active. Let's talk about one other kind of problem that you'll be doing in the future, truth table problem, just to get a feel for some of the features that the site offers. So again, don't worry how it is that we're answering this. We'll teach you that, but you can see that the site is giving us feedback that we've done the first part of constructing the truth table correctly. We've constructed the reference columns. Had we done any other arrangement of truth values, it would not let us proceed. We haven't done it correctly, and so we need to fix it, get a green light, and now we can move on. Again, here now we have a red light down at the next part. Our truth table is incorrect. We haven't yet filled out the truth table. Again, without worrying how we're determining these truth values, we can see that once we fill it out and it's correct, we get a green light. Had we done any other arrangement of truth values, the site would tell us that we've done it incorrectly. Spent practicing more effective and more efficient, and makes it so you can more quickly and more deeply learn the material. We hit submit, and now our answer is saved. Finished with our session, we can click the icon on the right top corner and log out of the system. We hope you enjoy the course. We hope that you find the website to be a valuable tool in learning the material.